Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Gaviota, back again with another video. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys my everyday look, and by everyday I mean like maybe once a week, because honestly I haven't been putting any makeup on with this whole COVID thing. I'm not really going anywhere, so when I do want to put makeup on, it's usually this super natural look. I'm not even wearing any foundation. I did use a few new products that I got from Sephora to kind of switch up my everyday products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we did hit 5K, so that's awesome. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, because I'm gonna be coming out with a lot of more content soon. So yeah, also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any videos, and let's just jump right into it. You're about to see me looking a mess and not like this, so let's get started with this video. So one of the new things that I got at Sephora is this Lash lip sleeping mask. I see it literally everywhere, but I've just been putting off getting it because it's like $22. I was like, $22 for some chapstick. But this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it because it's literally everywhere. And it brings this tiny little like spoon looking thing so that you don't have to keep digging your fingers, which is good because I have like these pretty long nails. So I'm just gonna apply that before I start doing my makeup, just so that my lips are moisturized. It smells really good, and it looks like it's gonna be super hydrating, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. Look how shiny it makes my lips look. Per usual, I am already moisturized, and I always start off with my brows. So I just use the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. This thing's super old, but it still works, so I'm not gonna buy a new one until I run out. And I just got my brows done. That's why they look so fresh and good. And I don't really do too much. I just kind of outline the bottom and then fill up the top. Not really going anywhere, but I thought, why not just do some light makeup and make myself feel like I'm doing a little more than the usual. And then I'll just brush up and brush some of this product out, because I like a more natural looking brow. Like, see the difference? And I barely did anything. So once I feel like they look decent, I just go in and carve them out with concealer. I usually use the Born This Way concealer in the color Warm Beige. I love this concealer for carving out my brows. I think it just highlights underneath my brows so well, so I always use this one. I carve them out with a MAC 212 brush. This brush is so old, but it's basically like just a little rectangular brush, and I always just kind of go like this, so it's really sharp. I should probably get a new one, but it's not broken, so I can't really talk during this part because I'm trying to concentrate. And I'll just bring whatever product is left over a little down, and that works as a little bit of eye primer. And then I'll just do the top. And then I just make sure that you can't see any harsh lines. And that's my brow. So I'm just gonna finish this one and then I'll be right back. So my brows are all carved out. As you can see, the concealer color that I chose is literally perfect, because one thing that I hate is when people carve their brows out and you could just see like it's just like super pale in this area, and then the rest of their face is like bronzed. I hate that look. If you like that look, I'm sorry, it's just not for me. So I like to choose a color that matches my skin the best, and that is Warm Beige by Born This Way, Too Faced Cosmetics. Before I do anything else with my makeup, I'm going to start by priming my skin. I got this little birthday thing, and it comes with the Milk Hydro Grip facial thing. I'm just gonna save this little thing for traveling because I already have the primer, and it's literally my favorite primer. It's so good, especially if you have dry skin. So I'm just gonna get like this much, like one pump, and I'm just gonna work that into my skin. I just like to really pat it in, and it's so sticky. I don't know if you guys can tell or hear that, but it's so good. I love this primer. Best gift I've ever gotten. While that just settles into my skin, I'm gonna just start off on my eyes. I just do pretty much super simple eyes because it's an everyday look. I sometimes don't even put eyeshadow, but for today's video, I'll do a little bit of eyeshadow. But before I go in with that shadow, I'm just going to prime my eyes with a little bit of the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer. It's like almost gone. I love this concealer, and it's in the color Tan Sand, if that's helped to anyone. And I just put a tiny bit. Looks pretty good. I'm not gonna set it or anything. I'm just going to go straight in with the eyeshadow color. I'm using this Desi X Katie Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors, and I'm just going in with this color. I don't know if you can. I'm working on this whole YouTube thing, trying to find out what works best for me. So give me any things you want to see or like want me to change filming wise. So yeah, so that looks pretty good. Like I said, it's a super natural eyeshadow look because it's like an everyday. And then just because I'm going to add a little bit of this lighter color, I'm just gonna go in with my finger and I'm just gonna add it there. I'm not really sure if that does anything, but why not? Add on a little mascara. I'm gonna take the Milk Kush mascara that this little thing came with and try that out. I'm just gonna go straight in. I don't really curl my lashes that much because I am putting on some falsies, so like I didn't even curl these lashes and look how long they look. So I think I would recommend this mascara. I'm not sure how much the full size is, probably like $20, but so far so good. So I just put my lashes to dry. So in the meantime, what have you guys been doing to keep yourself busy during this quarantine? I've been lately trying to get myself into a little routine. So I make my iced coffee in the morning. It's so good. I think I might upload a video on how I make it because it's so easy and you'll save so much money instead of going to Starbucks and like Dunkin' Donuts every day. This saves you so money, and I swear it tastes better than what Starbucks gives you. So maybe I will upload a little video on how I make my iced coffee. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I'm not probably upload it anyway. So yeah, so I'm trying to get myself into a little routine. I'm trying to start filming more because I've been in a little rut lately and I need to start filming more. And I need to start putting consistent content out because I just hit 5K. So thank you guys for subscribing, and tell everyone you know to subscribe to my channel so I can hit 10K next. And yeah, it's super exciting. I didn't think I would ever hit 5K because I used to have like 90 subscribers and I thought that was a lot, and now I'm at 5K, which is crazy. So since I hit 5K, that hit like a little switch in me to start making content for you guys. So stay tuned for all the content that I'm gonna be coming out with. And yeah, my lashes are about to be ready to put on. I never use any tweezers really. I just use like my super long nails. Okay, both lashes are on. The thing I love about my lashes are the band is so good that I don't even need eyeliner or anything, and they just blend in so well. Hopefully I'll be coming back out with them by the end of August. Don't quote me on that because I want my relaunch to be awesome. So I'm really gonna try working hard on it. And then before I move on to my face, I'm just going to set my brows with this clear soap that I got at Whole Foods, and I just spray it with a little Max Fix Plus. I get a spoolie and I just really saturate it, and this soap method sets your brows all day, and look at how pretty they look. I'm kind of scared to try out this next product. It's the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I'm not sure if I picked the right color because, as you guys know, with this whole COVID thing, all those testers in stores have been removed, so I don't know if I color matched correctly. It looks like it might be the right color, but I don't know. This is definitely a little too light for me, so I think I'm gonna have to return it. So slight change of plan, since that's a little too light for my liking. I'm just gonna go in with my regular e.l.f. hydrating concealer. Like, look how much better that color is. And I'll make that work for my whole face. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this Real Techniques brush and really work that product in. Once I finish my base, I just like to go in and get the creases out from under my eyes. That way I can set it with a little powder. I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery translucent powder on this Real Techniques, like, it's like a fuzzy kind of brush. And I just lightly set it. I don't like too much powder because, again, I have pretty dry skin, so. For blush, I'm going to be using the Milk lip and cheek tint kind of thing that came with this little birthday kit. So this is literally so tiny. It's in the color Work. I think I'm just going, I've never really used like cream blush before, but I think I'm just gonna go like this. Yeah, I think it took most of the product off, but it does look natural. So since I wiped pretty much all of that off, I'm just gonna add a little bit more to the apples of my cheek and maybe to my nose area. I love blush on the nose. I think it's so cute. Just to bring a little color. I like to mix in my bronzer and blush because I just like that look. So that's what I do. And just a little on the sides. I don't really contour my nose because I don't really know how to. Should probably learn, but I just kind of put it all over because I feel like it gives me a almost sunburnt look, and that's what I like. You know when you just have those good like makeup application days? It doesn't come often for me, but today might be one of those days. I'm gonna use the Amrezy highlight by Anastasia, and I just get it on the back of this, and I just slightly just add it to the little on my cubisco. That lip mask that I put on is really nice. But, okay, we're pretty much done. I just need to go in with some lips, and I don't even think I'm gonna line my lips because I'm not really going anywhere, so I'm just gonna put a little gloss on. I'm using this e.l.f. lip lacquer in the color Mauve Glitz. It kind of looks like the Fenty gloss, like the first one that she came out with. So now that we're done with the face, I just need to go in and set it with the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, I like to drench myself in it. And then I just lightly tap so I don't get any splotches. Lightly brush out my hair. I don't think I'm going to re-iron it because I don't like to put too much heat on, so. This is what it looks like right now. Also, these earrings are from Target, believe it or not. I just got them yesterday. They were like $8. They're super cute if you want to get into the little chunky earring trend that's going on. I hope you guys like this video. It was a little bit more natural since there's not really any places to go, but sometimes I just like to feel good at home, and that's what I did. A little natural moment. I'll bring you guys in again. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little look, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you guys for 5K, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day, guys.